I've got this old Triumph coming predominantly to have the fuel tank polished. He's going to try and get it PPF'd. So I just thought I'd show its original paint, so we don't want to be breaking through anywhere. I'm just in the throes of trying to remove these Triumph badges. All the pads have been removed and the majority of the glue. The rear pad, that's been got off. It's gone a little bit pink, as red normally does. I've just had a test on the front mudguard, and that does seem to be responding quite well. So in a moment I shall start the tank, see if we can get that in a decent enough condition so that it can be PPF'd. Although I've yet to see a tank that's covered in PPF properly. Certainly I don't think they'd do it in one piece, but I could be wrong. Anyway, I'm going to start the polishing and see where we get it to. So I'll see you a bit later. Well, yesterday I spent the day cleaning the paintwork and removing all these scratches out of this tank and relative parts. Took me quite a while to be able to remove the Triumph badges because they didn't want to come off. They've been on there that long. But as you can see, it's all come up nice. So I'm sure the owner's going to be chuffed. While I was at it, I've cleaned up some of the other parts on the bike just to tidy it up really. Now the hardware for the tank, I've cleaned and polished the Triumph badges, and I've give these a bit of a recondition so that the backing plates, they look nice when they go back on. I'm not sure what the owner wants to do with these, so I'll be contacting him, see if he wants me to put those back on. But there's rubber pads that go on this area and on this area here. So but I think he's got brand new ones of those. But that's it, my job's done and it's now ready for collection. Not a major job by any means, but it's quite satisfying when you restore something and it apparently is original paint, and to be honest I have to agree with that because it all matches with the finish, you know, that's the original finish that was under the pad. So there we are, that's another little job done. And while I'm waiting for collection of the Ferrari, I think I'll get back onto the 230 SL, make a bit of progress with that. So that's it for now, and I'll see you on the next one.